Simon's back and ready to make some more sweet savings. Kaylee and Stacey have something of a nagging snack habit. It's affecting their wallets as well as their waistlines.
You spend about £20 a week on snacks.
Yeah. I don't think we think twice about it, to be honest.
That's what you spend, isn't it? It's what you need to spend. But if you think about that, how that adds up, you know, £20 a week is...
£80 a month.
£80 a month. That's almost £1,000 a year.
Wow.
See, that's a lot of money suddenly.
Crazy.
Simon's determined to reduce their spend on snacks by teaching them how to make flapjacks. Chef David Hampton's in charge.
We're making flapjacks. We're using oats. Oats are actually a superfood and they're fantastic. And we're getting away from chocolate bars, crisps, and they're full of nasties. They're full of stabilisers, they're high in salt and lots of E numbers, of course. So we're going to teach you how to cook as well. And that's the main thing.
That sounds fabulous, doesn't it?
Yes.
Bargain price flapjacks, here we come.
And the first thing we do, nice and easy, just pop our butter into the pan. It is a lot of butter.
It does look like a lot of butter.
And then we're going to add our sugar. So add your sugar. Exactly, that's superb.
This looks really simple.
As a nation, we spend over £12 billion a year on confectionery.
Yeah, so put your syrup in there.
But with thousands of free recipes available online, making your own snacks can be fun, as well as saving you some dough.
At this stage, you can add any other ingredients that you want to it, whether you want to add some nuts or some sultanas, chocolate, because you both love chocolate.
See? Cut price doesn't have to be boring either.
OK, girls, this is moments of truth.
And with the flapjacks cooked and dropped, what's the verdict?
What you have to think about is this is going to cost you roughly £4 a week to make this. You can make a whole batch for a month, you know, so that would be £16 for a month's supply of sugary snacks rather than £80.
And now I've tasted it and how good it tastes. And I'm definitely, I'm definitely up for doing it.
If they roll up their sleeves and make their own snacks rather than buying their usual shop-bought alternatives, they could save over £760 a year.
And you can feed all your friends and family with this too.
If there's any left.